Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will show you how to create a pie chart in Canva. So let's start. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you will never miss an updates from us. So let's start. You can see here I am in a blank workspace. Over here head on to elements and search for pie chart. And over here you can find out add a pie chart. Click over here and you see here is our pie chart inserted. Then you can see here are labels and series. Over here in labels you can choose anything, like I will choose some fruits name like apple, mango, banana, papaya, and lastly orange. And see, you can find out that our pie chart is ready. Then also you can change percentage over here. Over here all are 10%. Okay, let's see, I like apple 25%, mango 50%, banana over here I like 5%, then papaya 5%, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, then this 15%. Okay. Then this is balance. You can see here how pretty pie chart is created in Canva. Also you can change colors from here. You can tap over here and click on this 3 dots more and edit color. Over here you can find as your choice, you can choose anyone from here. Okay, in this way you can create pie chart in Canva. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.